Owning and managing multi-unit properties can be rewarding, but it comes with a lot of responsibilities, and one of the biggest is maintenance. Preventative maintenance is the key to keeping your property in good condition and avoiding costly repairs down the line. Today, we're going to talk about why it's so important, what you should focus on, and how to build a preventative maintenance plan that will save you money and keep your tenants happy. First, let's start with the basics. Preventative maintenance is all about taking care of small issues before they become big problems. It's the difference between changing an air filter and having to replace an entire HVAC system. For multi-unit properties, preventative maintenance is even more critical because when something goes wrong, it can affect multiple tenants. A small water leak in one unit can quickly spread to others, leading to thousands of dollars in damage and upset tenants. So, by staying on top of maintenance, you protect your investment and ensure a better experience for your tenants. One of the key areas to focus on is your plumbing system. Leaks, clogged drains, or faulty pipes can cause significant damage, not just to the affected unit but to the entire building. Regular inspections of your plumbing system can help you catch these issues early. Make sure to check for signs of water damage like stains on ceilings or walls, and don't ignore complaints from tenants about slow drains or low water pressure. Simple fixes now can save you a lot of money later. Next up is HVAC maintenance. Heating and cooling systems are essential for tenant comfort, and they're expensive to repair or replace. Regularly changing air filters, cleaning vents, and scheduling professional inspections can extend the life of your HVAC systems and keep them running efficiently. Plus, well-maintained systems use less energy, which can lower your utility bills if you're covering those costs. Another area you should pay attention to is the roof. A leaky roof can lead to water damage, mold, and structural problems, which can be a nightmare to fix. Regular roof inspections, especially after severe weather, can help you spot loose shingles, cracks, or other signs of wear and tear. It's a good idea to have a professional roofer take a look at least once a year, but you can also do quick visual checks yourself to make sure everything looks good. Don't forget about your electrical system. Faulty wiring is not just an inconvenience, it's a fire hazard. Regularly checking electrical panels, outlets, and appliances for signs of wear can help prevent dangerous situations. Make sure your smoke detectors are working, and consider upgrading to modern systems if your property is older. When it comes to common areas like hallways, lobbies, or shared laundry rooms, preventative maintenance is just as important. Keep these areas clean and well lit to avoid accidents. Check for loose railings, broken tiles, or cracks in the flooring, and fix these issues before they lead to a trip and fall. Also, ensure your security systems, such as cameras and entry door locks, are functioning properly to keep your tenants safe. One of the most overlooked aspects of preventative maintenance is pest control. An infestation of rodents or insects can spread quickly in a multi-unit property, causing damage and making tenants uncomfortable. Regular pest control treatments can help you avoid this. Even if there aren't any obvious signs of pests, setting up a schedule for preventative treatments is a smart move. If you're not sure where to start with preventative maintenance, it's a good idea to create a checklist. Break it down by season and include tasks like cleaning gutters, inspecting windows for drafts, and checking the foundation for cracks. Having a system in place ensures that nothing gets overlooked, and you can stay ahead of any potential problems. Now, I know all of this can sound overwhelming, especially if you own several multi-unit properties. This is where hiring a property management company like Alpine Property Management Kansas City comes in. We specialize in taking care of properties, and that includes staying on top of preventative maintenance. Our team ensures that your buildings are well maintained, your tenants are happy, and you avoid costly repairs. We handle everything from scheduling inspections to managing repairs, so you don't have to worry about the day-to-day upkeep. Now, shifting gears for a moment, let's talk about selling a property. If you own a multi-unit property and you're thinking about selling it, Alpine Property Management Kansas City buys houses. Whether your property is fully occupied, in need of repairs, or somewhere in between, we can make the process easy for you. You won't have to deal with showings or listing it on the market. We offer a straightforward process where you can walk away with cash in hand. If you're interested in selling, reach out to us and we'll make you a fair offer. To wrap things up, preventative maintenance is crucial for multi-unit property owners. It saves you money, keeps your tenants happy, and protects your investment. By staying on top of things like plumbing, HVAC, roofing, and common areas, You can avoid the headaches and costs that come with emergency repairs. If you're feeling overwhelmed, don't hesitate to reach out to Alpine Property Management, Kansas City. We're here to help you manage your properties efficiently and ensure they stay in top condition. If this video has been helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on property management and real estate investing. Thanks for watching.